Yeah, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're looking for easy and safe way to how to uninstall apps on Android or your Android phones, then this is the right video tutorials for you. In this video tutorials, I want to uninstall this app in black color called Ultra Power Saving Modes. So without wasting time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is you need to locate where your setting apps is. So after locating, then clicks. After clicking, you need to go to the apps and permissions section. Yeah, here's the app and permission section. So you need to click where of the written apps. After clicking, then you will see the list of your phone application. This is where you choose the apps you want to uninstall. So as I said before, I was in need to uninstall an app called Ultra Power Saving Mode. So let me look for where it is. So here it is the apps I want to uninstall. So then click that apps. After clicking, then you see two buttons, uninstall and force stop. So you're going to click uninstall button. Yeah, then it will ask you, do you want to uninstall this app? Then click OK. Then the Android system will run. After clicking, then you see uninstall is finished already. Then this is done. This is how you uninstall apps on Android. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel to help me reach 100 subscriber. Thanks. See you next time.